Are you spending hours manually deleting pauses in your videos? Then this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the new feature of silence detection in Wondershare Filmora. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to give you my personal opinion on whether I think it's worth investing in this feature or not. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm your online mentor. I'm Swedish. I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve, regardless of your location or budget. On this channel, you have tips, tricks, and tutorials, everything to help you become successful online and happy. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss out on anything. Let's dive in. Head over onto Filmora, grab your video and pull it in. Pull it down to the timeline and reduce any unwanted noise first. I always do that. And then hit the button of this beta feature called silence detection. The initial suggestion from Filmora is to take away a lot of your sound, a lot of your audio. You can see that at the bottom here. So you want to look at these three settings here in order to figure out how much of your audio that's going to be cut out. So this top one is about the volume that is going to be left out. You have to figure this out depending on your video clip. Once I'm happy with the volume, I'll adjust the pauses and the length of the pauses in my audio so that there is a smooth transition between sentences and enough space between my words. Once you've decided on the value, you hit restart and Filmora will give you the new result. So as you can see now, Filmora has extended the areas that are going to be kept in the video, and you can drag the playhead anywhere you want and then just play the thing. You're not going to hear the sound. I did screen recording in Filmora and it doesn't pick up the sound from my computer. So you listen through, and if there are any places where you think Filmora has cut too much or too little of your audio out, you can manually drag the border of each of these sections. And once you're happy with the whole thing, you export it back to the timeline. Now, this is where the 7-day trial starts if you haven't bought this feature. So if there is a timeline that you want to save now, you have to either start your 7-day trial or you have to buy this feature. So press the buy now button, takes you to this page of Wondershare Filmora, and it works on Filmora 10 and above. And there are two plans. Of course, there's a free trial and the monthly plan, and it's $6 a month. And the question is it worth it or not? Here are the pros and cons of silence detection in Filmora as opposed to doing it manually by yourself. The silence detection function is a huge time saver. To be honest, let's be honest, time is money. I'm spending at least an hour per video manually deleting the empty spaces, the silent pauses. With this feature, I can be done within 10 to 15 minutes. So the time that you're saving here might be the time that you can actually write a new script, shoot a new video, and even start editing it. This means that you can post more content and you can grow your channel more quickly than if you did the labor manually. And let's face it, if you turn to all the big channels like Think Media, Nick Nimmin, Roberta Blake, they all say that the more you post, the better. The more you post, the sooner you're gonna grow your influence in your channel. So let's face it, if this feature can double the amount of videos that you produce and post every week, then it might be worth it. This feature also saves a lot of frustration and energy, because doing this manual labor is, in my world, sorry monkeys, it's monkey work. And it also actually makes the jump cuts a lot smoother. I like jump cuts, but sometimes, you know, my eyebrows are up or my eyebrows are down and the jump cut makes it kind of look funny. So these jump cuts are actually smoother than the ones I create myself. So it's time and cost saving. It allows you to post more because of the time saved and grow your channel and your influence quicker. It saves frustration and energy because you can let go of the monkey job, and it makes the jump cuts much smoother. What are the cons? Well, this is a monthly subscription. I don't think that's really fair. If you're on a lifetime license with Filmora and they start charging you for really good features, that's not fair, Filmora. I don't like that. It feels not too honest, to be honest. But that's really the only disadvantage. So what are the pros and cons of doing this manually? Well, it's the opposite. It saves money to do it manually, but it's a real waste of time and you're doing the monkey job over and over again each week, and you're growing your influence on your channel slower. So my personal opinion is that I'm gonna actually invest in this. I'm gonna use it because it saves me so much time, and I'm gonna be able to double the amount of videos that I post every week, hopefully growing my influence and my channel much quicker than otherwise. So if you want to, grab your version of Filmora down below at malinlindblom.com/resources and get going on this video editor and try this new feature out. It's gonna save you a lot of time. All the best, and I'll see you in the next one.